Welcome to the ultimate money-making tutorial. Have you ever dreamed of earning big bucks without leaving the comfort of your own home? Well, hold on to your hats because today we're going to show you how to make $300 an hour with just your trusty Google Translate app and a bit of creativity. That's right, you heard it here first. You can turn your basic computer skills into cold hard cash, and we're going to guide you every step of the way. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to turn your computer into a money-making machine. And be sure to stay tuned until the end because you definitely don't want to miss out on any important money-making details. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Google Translate. To begin our money-making adventure, we have to first head on over to the powerful and versatile Google Translate app. This incredible tool will do all of the hard work for us when it comes to translating, providing us with accurate and efficient translations of offers and calls to action. Whether you're a fluent speaker of multiple languages or just starting out, Google Translate is an essential tool that you can always rely on. So let's get Google Translate up and get started. Step 2. Open up ChatGPT. Now that we've got the awesome Google Translate up and running, it's time to introduce our next secret weapon in the world of affiliate marketing, ChatGPT. This AI-powered language model is an absolute game changer, as it allows us to create high-quality content in a variety of different languages. Whether you need a killer article or a persuasive call to action, ChatGPT has got you covered. With its advanced algorithms and natural language processing capabilities, you'll be amazed at how effortlessly it can generate content that's not only grammatically correct, but also engaging and persuasive. By using these two powerful tools together, we can tap into a global audience and promote offers and products to people from all walks of life. So let's get ChatGPT up and running and start churning out some awesome content that's sure to convert. Step 3. Sign up for CPA Grip. CPA Grip is an online platform that gives you access to a variety of offers and promotions that you can use to incentivize your audience to take action. These offers can include things like free trials, product discounts, or even giveaways. By using these offers, you can encourage your audience to engage with your content and take the action you want them to take, which could be clicking on the link and submitting their emails, or something really simple like that. What I love about CPA or cost per action marketing is that people don't actually have to make a purchase for you to earn money. As it says in the name, they just have to perform a single action, like giving their email, downloading an app, or something like that. So the chances of you making money are very high, because people don't have to spend money, and there's usually something in it for them to do the action, such as entering their email address to enter an iPhone giveaway. Once you've chosen an offer, you'll receive a unique affiliate link that you can share on your website, social media channels, or any other platform of your choice. A little tip from me. Head over to bit.ly.com or any link shortening site like it to make your affiliate link shorter and more attractive. If you find that your affiliate link looks a little long and clunky, copy your shortened link and keep it somewhere safe. I would also recommend testing out your shortened link to make sure that it takes people to the right place. Now, here's the key when it comes to selecting an offer. We want to select Spanish or French offers. Why, you might be wondering? Well, because we're going to leverage our language skills to find offers that are giving away something for free. Once we find one of these offers, we'll use our referral link from CPA Grip to earn a commission for every person who signs up through our link. So, let's translate one of these offers using Google Translate to see if it's a giveaway or not. Ah, here's one. Gana un iPhone gratis. Win a free iPhone. Jackpot! This is exactly what we're looking for. Let's copy our referral link and get ready to promote this offer. Step 4. Article writing using ChatGPT. Now, let's turn to ChatGPT. We're going to ask ChatGPT to write a 600-word article in Spanish about 5 tips for saving money. This will be a great piece of content to promote alongside our giveaway offer. While we wait for ChatGPT to work its magic, let's translate a call to action from English to Spanish. We want to use this call to action to promote our giveaway offer and encourage people to click on our referral link. The translation we'll use is Haz clic aquí para entrar en el sorteo gratuito. Click here to enter the free giveaway. Now that ChatGPT has written our 600-word article, it's time to put it all together. Let's open up Google Docs and paste the Spanish article from ChatGPT. We'll add our Spanish call to action and hyperlink over the Click Here text, so that if someone clicks on it, they're redirected to our CPA Grip link. Voila! Our piece of content is ready to be shared. Step 5. Share your work on slideshare.net. Now, we don't just want to create amazing content, we want to share it far and wide, reaching as many people as possible. That's why we're going to take things one step further and optimize our content for maximum shareability. To do this, we're going to take the Google Docs file that we created using ChatGPT and download it as a PDF. This will make sure that our content is easily accessible and viewable on any device or platform, making it more likely to be shared across different platforms. But that's not all. To truly get as many eyeballs as we can, we're going to share our newly created PDF on slideshare.net, a platform designed for sharing and presenting content in an easy-to-digest format. By doing this, we can tap into a huge audience of potential customers and generate even more traffic to our affiliate offers. And SlideShare has around 70 million users, so there's no doubt we'll be getting the views we need. Plus, since slideshare.net integrates seamlessly with other social media platforms, such as LinkedIn and Twitter, we can expand our reach even further by sharing our content on these channels as well. So, let's take our content to the next level by downloading it as a PDF and sharing it on slideshare.net. With our amazing content and these powerful tools at our disposal, we're sure to make a huge impact in the world of affiliate marketing. Some other recommendations that I would make include making sure that your SlideShare account is set up for success. Fill out all the information they ask of you, interact with other people, and just use the platform as you normally would. The more active you are, the more likely you are to get attention. And as I always say, attention is the new currency. So that is exactly what we want. And don't forget, SlideShare is just one way of getting a ton of traffic. Make sure to use other social media platforms, join online communities and forums, and share. Because the more you share, the more people will see your link, and the more people will click on it, which means more money at the end of the day. And if you want to take this one step further, then you can actually promote multiple affiliate offers in different languages. Because even if you have no idea how to speak those other languages, Google Translate has you covered. Remember to always be on the lookout for ways to use AI and online resources to make money by working smart, not just working hard. So, you've just learned how to turn your basic computer skills into cold hard cash. With the help of Google Translate, ChatGPT, and CPAGrip.com, you now have everything that you need to promote offers in different languages and earn commissions for every simple action that people take. It can literally be as simple as someone submitting their email for a chance to win the latest iPhone. Remember, the key is to find those giveaway offers and use Google Translate to promote them effectively. And don't forget to leverage ChatGPT for high-quality content in different languages. What do you think of this method? Let us know how it works out for you, and as always, feel free to let us know any questions that you might have in the comment section below. And if you found this video interesting, be sure to smash those like and subscribe buttons, and I'll see you again next time.